Picture a tool that gives you a crystal clear read on market trends without the usual lag or noise that trips up most indicators. That's exactly what the Savitsky flow bands by ChartPrime does, and I'm pumped to break it down for you. In this video, we'll explore what makes this indicator tick and how you can use it to level up your trading. If this sparks some ideas, hit that like button and let's dive in. To get this gem on your chart, head to TradingView, my go-to platform. Not signed up? I'll drop a link in the description. Pull up any chart, stocks, Forex, crypto, on any time frame, and click the Indicators tab. Search for Savitsky in Flow Bands by ChartPrime. Big shout out to them, and of course, add it. Boom! You've got the Savitsky flow bands ready to roll. This isn't your average moving average. It uses a fancy Savitsky Golay filter to smooth out price action, giving you a sharp view of the trend without dragging its feet, cutting down on false signals. So what do you see on the chart? The star of the show is a dotted line, your trend baseline. It's green for uptrends, orange for downtrends, and it sticks to the price like glue thanks to that filter, making it more responsive than a standard moving average. Around it, you've got the two solid lines forming a dynamic channel. These bands expand or contract based on market volatility, using the average to range or ATR and act as moving support or resistance zones. You'll also spot diamond markers signaling trend flips, perfect for catching market structure shifts. Plus, there's a fading line that tracks trend age. The fainter it gets, the more likely reversals brewing as the trend loses steam. Pop into the settings to tweak things. The length setting controls how smooth the line is. Lower it for short-term, snappier moves but expect some noise, or raise it for swing trading to filter out chatter. It's set to a balanced default, but play around to match your style. Now, how do you trade this? The simplest way is to ride the trend. Green bands and candles mean look for bullish setups. Orange means bearish. But the real magic happens with pullback trades. For a long trade, confirm an uptrend with green bands and price above a dotted line. Wait for a price to dip into the dynamic band zone, your high probability entry area. When it bounces back out, showing buyers are stepping in, that's your signal to go long. For a short trade, check for an orange downtrend with price below the line. Wait for a rally into the band zone, then look for a rejection where sellers take over. Enter short position there. This approach lets you jump into trends and better prices instead of chasing runaway moves, with the bands serving as your guide for support or resistance. In a nutshell, the Savitsky flow bands tackle the lag versus noise problem with a smart filter and dynamic bands, offering clear zones for entries, breakouts, and spotting trend exhaustions. It keeps you on the market's winning side. But heads up, this isn't a financial advice though. Pair these signals with your own price action or fundamental analysis and always backtest before risking real cash. Trading is risky, so do your homework. If this breakdown lit a fire under you, smash that like button or subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.